Now let us find the mode of this distribution. Before we do that, let us identify the model class. The model class is 50 to 59. And what is the lower class of the model class? Is 50. That is our L. Our L now is 50. So next, you have your delta 1. Delta 1 is what? The frequency of the model class, which is 42, minus the frequency of the class before the model class, which is 18. So this one will give you 24. Next, your delta 2. The frequency of the model class minus frequency of the class after it, which will give you 42 minus 27, which will be equals to 15. Yes, and next your W. That is the class size of the model class, which is 59 minus 50, which is clearly is going to give you 9. So we now start to interpolate now. What the formula says? W. So equals to, now let us impute the values here. Our F here is 50, 50 plus delta 1 is 24 over delta 1 plus delta 2, which is 15. That means 50 plus 5.54, which will give us 55.54. That is the mode of this distribution.